Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the valve cover gasket on a BMW X5. Remove the negative battery cable and engine cover, then label and disconnect ignition coils and wiring harnesses to avoid mistakes. Unbolt the valve cover in the correct sequence, clean mating surfaces thoroughly, fit the new gasket, torque bolts to spec, and reconnect everything carefully before testing for leaks. Work methodically and keep parts organized. Start by ensuring safety and preparation before you touch anything on the engine. Disconnect the negative battery cable and remove the engine cover and intake components that block access. Label each connector and take photos so you can reverse the process easily. Use appropriate tools, a torque wrench, and clean rags to prevent debris contamination. Inspect the new gasket for defects and lay out bolts in the order you remove them for easy reinstallation. Begin removal by disconnecting ignition coils and wiring harnesses, keeping parts organized by cylinder position. Loosen valve cover bolts in a cross pattern to avoid warping and lift the cover straight up to protect sensors and hoses. Scrape and clean the mating surface with solvent and lint-free cloths until all residue is gone. Dry the surface completely, inspect cam seals, and test fit the new gasket before applying any sealant or final assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.